Mr. Carty's mathematics test tomorrow. Don't cry, man. What do you have the test on? Simple interest and compound interest. I know that topic very well. I can help you. It actually reflects what happens in real life. There are times when you need to conduct business, but don't have all the money at once. You may need to borrow the money from a bank or other financial institutions. Oh yes, but it costs money to borrow money. This is known as interest. The bank is the lender and I would be the borrower. Interest is paid at a certain % per annum. This is known as the rate. And per annum means per year. The time must therefore be in terms of years. We have compound interest and simple interest. With simple interest, the principal remains the same each year. The interest is the same for each year. Oh yes, interest is paid on the same principal each year. Very good. See, you are almost ready. With compound interest, the principal increases each year. Interest is calculated on the new principal each year. That means more interest is paid each year. Remember, it's not only borrowing, you can also invest money to make money. Yes, but with greater interest rates for investments, there are greater risks. Compound interest is better for you if you invest money, and simple interest is better when you borrow money. Now to the formula. How do I remember? Starting with simple interest. Okay, think of it like this. You simply find the percentage of your principal using the rate. Yes, and since the interest is the same for all years, we multiply by the number of years. So simply put, simple interest equals the principal times rate times time, all divided by 100. Example. Flamingo borrowed a loan of $4,000 at 5% per annum for 4 years. Calculate the simple interest. Start with the formula, then identify the components. The principal is $4,000. The rate is 5%. The time is 4 years. You plug them in the formula and work out the answer. The simple interest is $800. What if I ask you, what is the total to be repaid? That is the principal added to the interest. $4,000 plus $800. The total is $4,800. Excellent. Now let's try compound interest. I know we can use the simple interest formula, but how? With compound interest, interest goes on your interest. So we have to work it out year by year. We find the interest for the first year, add it to the principal. This is now the new principal and is used as the principal for the second year. Example. Calculate the total compound interest when $3,000 is invested for 2 years at 5% per annum. You said I would find the interest for year 1. That would be principal times rate times time, all divided by 100. The principal is $3,000. Rate is 5%. And time is 1 year. Okay, I got it. The interest is 3,000 times 5 times 1 all over 100, which is $150. Is that a phone? We are in the library. Your phone should be off. Okay, what do you do next? Since I will get interest on my interest, I find the new principal, which is the principal for the second year. Good, good, good. New principal equals $3,000 plus $150, which is $3,150. Good. Keep going. Alright. Interest for second year equals new principal times rate times time, all over 100. That is, interest equals 3,150 times 5. I'm not sure about the time. Remember that we are dealing with year 2 as we worked out the interest test for the first year already. That means the time is 1 year. So I will have 3,150 times 5 times 1, all divided by 100. The compound interest for the second year is $157.50. Now, remember they asked for total compound interest. Total compound interest equals interest for year 1 plus interest for year 2. Total interest equals $150 plus $157.50. Equals $307.50. What if I ask what is the total money collected off the investment? You would have to pay back the original principal and the total interest. So that's $3,000 plus $307.50, which is $3,307.50. Good, you are so ready for Mr. Carty's test. Thank you. This is easy after all.
Good morning, class. Are you ready for your exam?
Good morning, Mr. Carty. More than ready.